Yes, guys, we are starting with synonyms and antonyms first. Now, synonyms and antonyms. What do you mean by synonym? Synonym means a word having the same meaning. Antonyms means the word having a different or a separate meaning, right? So there are certain tricks and certain rules for identifying them. So what are the rules or tricks? Trick number one or rule number one, identifying general meaning. So what we need to do is we identify the general meaning of that particular word. In case of many words, we can easily guess the general meaning of the word. If there are series of words like a sentence is given, so finding out, tracing out the meaning out of that sentence is very, very easy. Another way to guess the meaning of the word is through breaking down the word into roots. So हम लोग हिंदी में वो करते थे ना, संधि विच्छेद. So if you remember, वो संधि विच्छेद अगर आप कर लोगे तो आपको उनके मीनिंग समझ आ जाएंगे. If you are able to understand the meaning, उसको अलग अलग parts में divide करके then you can join it, right? So it is the same way in English as well. Next, take note of positively or negatively charged answer choices. Out of the choices given to you, there is every possibility that one or few of the choices may belong to the positive side, the other one or two choices may belong to the negative side. There is every possibility some or one or the other choice may belong to a neutral kind of a side, neither positive nor negative. So what do we do with that? We need to find out these positive, negative or neutral kind of choices. It is possible to associate a negative or a positive charge with almost any given word. So जो भी हमें word दिया होगा हम उसके साथ उसको match कर सकते हैं. Try to discern whether each word in the following list has a positive, negative or neutral charge. So जो भी हमें word दिया होगा क्या वो positive है, negative है या neutral charge है, and choose the best synonym. उसमें से हमें same meaning find out करना है. We need to eliminate the answer choices that are close synonyms. So कुछ ऐसी answer choices जो closely synonym है, हमें उनको eliminate करना है, हमें उनको wipe out करना है, right? Try to associate the words with similar familiar context. So in point number 3, what did we do? जो synonym का synonym नहीं बनता, या अगर हम antonyms कर रहे हैं, so जो synonym का antonym बनता है, not synonym ka synonym. So we have to choose that word. Suppose there is a word. So for example, if I take this word abate, abate ka synonym है moderate or decrease. Now, out of the choices, if you are able to find these words, but this abate word, you need to find an antonym. What do? Then you have to find out the synonyms first, and then the opposite of synonyms would be the antonyms. So this is a process to reach antonyms. Next is try to associate the word with a familiar context. Same familiar context के साथ आप उसको associate करोगे. This being the case, they get included in many proverbial phrases. बहुत सारे proverbs में. Proverbs, you understand proverbs, which is a group of words. So proverbial phrases में use होते हैं. Next is use your knowledge of Romance languages. The roots of many words have similar meanings in foreign languages. बहुत सारे ऐसे words हैं जिनके same meanings हैं foreign languages में. For example, the Spanish word malo means bad. This is a common root for many negatively charged words. So common root, जैसे हम maligned की बात करते हैं, so मतलब बुरा, right? Malignant, again बुरा. So we need to correlate them with the other languages that we understand, or that the words in other languages that we know. Next is keep an eye out for easy confusable words and homophones. So easy confusable words या homophones के लिए हमें ध्यान देना है हमेशा. These are the words that sound alike, एक से होते हैं but may be spelled differently. दो एक से होते हैं but उनको अलग अलग spell करते हैं. For instance, bear and beer, right? So we need to understand their differences. Guys, mark my words, if you use these rules or tricks, you will be able to completely solve the synonyms or antonyms correctly, right? So let's start correcting